The song Same God by Elevation Worship is a great tune to learn. And for us as keyboard players, our job's fairly easy in this song in that we're just providing a nice chord foundation throughout the song. It's pretty much the same chord progression throughout the song, which makes it a little bit easier. We are in the key of D flat major, which might be kind of outside the norm for many of you, but it's not a terrible key to play in. Probably the only really challenging portion of this song is going to be the bridge, if you choose to play kind of the secondary piano part. There's two piano parts in that bridge section. The first one is going to be just like the rest of the song, and you can choose to do that. Or you can choose to do what I did and do this arpeggiated part. And it's a little fast. And you're having to kind of cross your thumbs and arpeggiate in both hands. So it makes for a nice challenge. But if it's too much for you, you can choose to do the first piano part, which is just like the rest of the song. So for now, go ahead and get your rig set up, watch the music video, and let's jump in. Now, out of that, we get into our chorus. Now, on our chorus, we're going to change up, and it's just a walk down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Again, D flat, walk down, B flat minor, again walk down, G flat major 7, D flat over F, back to A flat, and then back to D flat. Now on the later chorus, there's one little change halfway through. Instead of going to the D flat, you're going to go to D flat over F, 2, 3, and then this walk down. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and B flat. So again, 1,